We're talking about how to change a paragraph to an artistic text. So assuming I have this paragraph, how will I change it to an artistic text? And how will I change this to a paragraph? So the first one, let's go to the first one, changing a paragraph to an artistic text. This, click on it, come to text menu, and click convert to artistic text. Control F8. Can you see it? It's no longer be in paragraph anymore. Just remove. Can you see it? Write this to make it a paragraph. Click on it and come to text menu, then click convert to artistic text. Can you see it? Control F8 also. Here you can make it a paragraph whereby you can type other things beneath it. Can you see it? And type any other thing. So this is how it works. You don't need to be typing enter. Once it has reached the end, it will come. So this is how it works. Watch more video, improve on your creativity in CorelDRAW and graphic design. You're welcome.